Hello guys. So today I'm making my first actual trade, like an actual trade. So let us say, no, not actual trade, just demo, right? But most of the time, like when I trade and okay, just guess, use support and resistance and that kind of stuff, and like just okay, use those the basics. Look at this say I use trading using psychology just like that. Like I use the basics to get to just map out it. But now I'm just trying to. So I've been watching a guy video, the moving average. So the guy has been talking about yeah, you're talking about moving average and RSI. I watched some video, but in order to really know if I understand it, I have to actually trade. So looking at what I did here, I don't still not actually explain. I just use intuition and stuff. But maybe if I lose a couple trade, I'll really understand what I'm doing. But after this, I'm gonna like note it down. So that's like looking at this place, like going back. I've realized that anytime this crossover, like if this thing is down and it cross over this, it become a downtrend. Like it's not something I've realized already. Maybe that was called the moving average crossover. But according to the man, we're not meant to trade like that. So, but I've been looking at other like a bigger time frame. This 5 minutes. I'm looking at like 4 hours time frame, then down to three, then 1 30 minutes. Then I realized that this is gonna be like it should be a potential uptrend. Even looking at the RSI here, the RSI have been making lower lows. Yeah, lower lows. But this place, okay. If you look at the bottom here, like they're all even. So even if go down, Jerry. Even if okay, the market wants to draw down, it shouldn't draw down. It should draw down to okay. Let's let me bring down pencil. Hmm, I don't know what the pencil is myself. Which kind of number am I? I'm never okay. I think this line. So even the market wants to draw down, I'm coming. Okay, yeah, that's it. So if I put it from year to year, it's like yeah. Normally, I should wait for a breakout, like around. Let me zoom. Please tell me, because like this, I'm just a new trader, so I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just like following my intuition. So let's say I should wait for a breakout somewhere here. Like you can see where I'm tapping, like this place I'm tapping. I should wait for a breakout somewhere here, right? But I did not for the breakout. I don't know what was wrong with me. I kind of took the trade too early. I just realized it. But so this is my like my risk to I think risk to reward ratio, as man said, 1 to 2. So this one will be 1% and you make 2% of your account. You get so never lose more than you gain. That's all the stuff. So I put the loss at this tip here. Meaning if you can drop down and pass this tip, that's a continuous downtrend. And that we kind of I don't know. Let me check on the map about the shots. I'm calling shot map. Like it will form. Oh man, I think I'll be doing shit this morning. Okay, no, this is an uptrend. Okay, it's crossover. Yeah, you see this stuff here. This one, this thing here. If this thing we could also bounce over it and continue a downtrend could actually happen. Yeah. Actually when doing this I actually realize a lot of stuff rush now. Because I be like this, just bounce over it and continue in a downtrend. But they say don't pray in forex, but I pray this up this like this spike here, this one can happen. If this spike can happen, shift if this spike can happen and also it's my take profits, which is like let me make the okay, which is yeah, just like it's not much. And if you guys can tell me, I don't really know to like check how many pips. I think I should do that. No, I think I don't know. No. Let me check. Mm, I don't think I can do that. I'm using an Android phone, and I learn like the guy always tutorial is always on laptop. You get so the let's say the UI is kind of different. Normally we just press shift and some things. I am sure. So okay, and let me MetaTrader because I use MetaTrader all the time. Come in, let me open my okay. So this is my MetaTrader. As you can see, my stop loss is 25 and my take profit is 50. I just go straight at my actual risk to reward ratio. So as you can see, this place is not actually below this thing. It's not actually below it. And I put like that because I feel like see if we can make it small. Wait, let me go back to the actual chart so you just understand better. Then yeah. So if I can put this line here, shit. Let me zoom in a little bit. So let me zoom in a little bit again. So let me use the line. Let me use the way. Why is this? Why it does not pass through this place? Right. Right. If you can put this line right here. Let me just let me just draw it somewhere around here. These guys will see that this let me wide it open. You can see that like this place have kind of like be retesting. And once it let's say I was around, once it broke through this place, you get so I feel like since it's still retesting, it broke through it again. It's what do you guys call it? See, which is like let's say it came back right to retest the line, then it's supposed to go up. But if we could not retest the line and this can kind of break through this line, I feel like that's still a downtrend. That's why I put it my stop loss at this blue line, not the exact red line. So that's why. So I'll post another video if this trade work out. Let me even see how much the thing is going. I don't know. Yeah, see as what is that balance ET. Okay, this as you can see, I don't know why it's like this. Okay, position use. Alright, I'm going back. I don't know why it's okay. No, okay, it's good. I can understand this part. So I'm at a loss now. That side, but that's why it's demo. It teaches how to trade without emotion. So like okay, this is the chart. Open it. So and I'll share later. I'll post another video showing what happened. Bye. And please subscribe. But please subscribe. I need a lot of followers, no subscribers. Yeah.